What's the meaning of Cumberland? Cumberland. Cumberland.
Cumberland. Cumberland. Cumberland is a geographical name that refers to various places around the world, including counties, cities, and rivers. The name has its origins in ancient Celtic language and was used by various tribes who inhabited parts of northern England and southern Scotland. The most well-known location with this name is the historic county of Cumberland, located in northwest England. It is known for its rugged landscapes, including the Lake District National Park, which attracts many outdoor enthusiasts. Overall, Cumberland is a name steeped in history and natural beauty.